Stone soup. Once upon a time, there was a village. It was a nice place to live, except for one thing. People did not like to share. One day, a visitor came to town. Hello, does anybody have food to share? He asked. No, said everyone. That's okay, said the visitor. I will make stone soup for everyone. Then he took a stone and dropped it into a giant pot. The visitor sniffed his broth. Some people came outside to see what he was doing. Some watched from their windows. Mmm, I love stone soup. The only thing better is stone soup with cabbage, said the visitor. That gave one man in the village an idea. He brought a cabbage and put it in the pot. Then the visitor said, I once had stone soup with cabbage and carrots. It was delicious. A woman brought carrots and put them in the pot. Then the visitor said, I once had stone soup with cabbage and carrots and corn. It was delicious. A boy brought corn and put it in the pot. Then the visitor said, I once had stone soup with cabbage and carrots and corn and beans. It was delicious. A girl brought beans and put them in the pot. The soup cooked and cooked. Finally, it was ready. Everyone ate a big bowl. This is delicious, they all said. The soup made them so happy that they danced and sang all night long. From then on, the people in the village shared, and their very favorite thing to share was stone soup. The end.